Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll start new chapter number 3, playing with numbers. Friends, earlier we studied about knowing our numbers, whole numbers. Today we'll start playing with numbers. Playing with numbers means नंबर के साथ में खेलना. कैसे खेलना है वो हम इस चैप्टर में देखेंगे. So first topic of this chapter is factors and multiples. फ्रेंड्स, फैक्टर एंड मल्टीपल्स क्या होता है? सो इफ आई राइट 24, सो इसके फैक्टर क्या हो सकते हैं? 2 इंटू 12, 2 इंटू 12 इक्वल टू 24. सो दीज आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 24 एंड this is the multiple of 2 into 12. So this is the vice versa. 2 into 12, 2 and 12 is the factor of 24 and 24 is the multiple of 2 into 12. Now we study in the detail for factors and multiples. So first topic is factors. Factor is a number which is an exact divisor of that number. Let's suppose I write one number 8. So from which number 8 is divisible or in which table 8 is comes? So if I say 1 is divisible by 1, 8 is divisible by 1, 8 is divisible by 2, 8 is divisible by 4, 8 is divisible by 8. So we can say 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the factor of 8. Let's understand by one more example. 24. So what are the factors of 24? So we have to think in which table 24 is coming or by which number 24 is divisible. So we can say 24 is divisible by 1, 24 is divisible by 2, or we can say 24 comes in the table of 2. Then 24 is divisible by 3, 24 is divisible by 4, 24 is divisible by 6, 24 is divisible by 8, 24 is divisible by 12 and 24 is divisible by 24 itself. So friends, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are the factor of 24. So friends, there are some property which we have to understand by this factor. First, we have to see one is common in every factor of numbers. So we can say 1 is the factor of every number. 8 is the factor of number itself. Here 24 is factor of 24 number itself. So here we have to see the property. What is the property of factor? So friends, first point is 1 is a factor of every number. And second, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. Friends, factor of any number is finite. उसके फैक्टर, किसी भी नंबर के फैक्टर फाइनाइट होते हैं, फिक्स होते हैं. And 4, in example we have seen lowest and maximum factor of given number is less than or equal to the given number. So factor of any number is less than or equal to given number. So friends, these are the property of factor. Number which is an exact divisor of that number. What is the property? We have seen by two example that one is the factor of every number. Every number is a factor itself. Every number is a factor of itself. Third, factor of every number is finite, fixed है. Factor of any number is less than or equal to the given number. Now friends, we have to move for the multiples. Multiples. What is multiples? If I say 6 equal to 2 into 3, so here we can say 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. If I write 8, 4 2s are 8. So 8 is a multiple of 4 and 8. Or 8 is a, we can write 1 into 8. So 8 is a multiple of 1 into 8. If I say 24, here we can say 2 into 12. So 24 is a multiple of 2 and 12. 24 is a multiple of 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. Here we can say 24 is the multiple of 6 into 4. And 24 is the multiple of 12 into 2. So friends, this is the multiple of given number. We can write from any kind of numbers from which number is multiple. So friends, here property of multiples is property of multiple is friends, we have seen here multiples can be increased. And if I multiply 24 in 24 equal to 24 into 2, 24 into 100, 24 into 1000, 24 into 10,000, so number will increase. So property of multiples is here we can say first every number is a multiple of itself. मल्टीपल ऑफ एवरी नंबर इज इनफाइनाइट, मीन्स कितना भी हो सकता है, किसी भी नंबर का मल्टीपल कितना भी हो सकता है. इट कैन बी इंक्रीज बाय सो नंबर्स. सो मल्टीपल्स ऑफ एनी नंबर इज इनफाइनाइट. Here multiples of any number is equal to that number or higher than the given number. So multiples of any number is equal to or more than the given number. So friends, we have completed factor and multiples. Now we have to move for perfect number. What is perfect number? Perfect number. Perfect number. What is perfect number? A number for which factor sum of all factors is twice to the given number. Let's understand by one example. 6. Friends, we know the factor of 6. 1 is a factor of 6, 2 is a factor of 6, 3 is a factor of 6, and 6 itself is a factor of 6. Now definition is a number for which sum of all factor is twice to the given number. Sum of all its factor is twice to the given number. So friends, here we have to sum of all these factors. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. So 6, 3, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12. So friends, 12 is a twice of given number, twice to the given number. So we can say this is the perfect number. 6 is the perfect number. Let's understand by one more example. 28. 28 is divisible by 1. 28 is divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 4. It is not divisible by 5. 6 not divisible. 7 it is divisible by 7. 7 4 ja 28. It is not divisible by 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is divisible by 14. So we can say 14 is a factor of 28. Now 14 twos are 28. So again 14 twos are 28 means now the last factor is 28. Friends, now we have to do the sum of factors. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28. So 1 plus 2 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 14 28, 28 plus 28 56, and 56 is the twice of given number. So friends, 28 is the perfect number. Thank you. Now we will do the exercise from this chapter.